Take note, learn how 50% gains are captured in these tariff-adjusted markets. Hi, I'm Joe Markman, and I am the Chief Strategist at Markman Capital. Since I started speaking at the Money Show on March 3rd of this year, every stock we recommended is literally up 50% or more. And that's not just luck. That's the result of sticking to a disciplined, contrarian strategy, even when the headlines were scary. Let's be honest, this has been a wild ride the past couple months. President Trump's tariffs sparked a historic storm on Wall Street, and investors saw the S&P 500 plunge into bear market territory. And tech stocks, especially names like Nvidia and Meta, were hit hard as fears over trade wars, higher costs, and shrinking global demand took hold. Meta faced real risk as Chinese e-commerce giants like Temu and Shein slashed ad spending, putting billions in revenue at risk. Nvidia and other chip makers were battered as tariffs threatened supply chains and global demand, even as AI spending was set to surge. Broadcom, ServiceNow, ARM, Coherent, Microsoft, Vertiv, and Qantas all faced their own headwinds, from supply chain snarls to regulatory uncertainty and volatile earnings. But here's the thing. These moments of panic are when the best opportunities arise. As Warren Buffett retires, his words of wisdom won't be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. That's exactly what we did. And if you were listening along, it's exactly what you did as well. While others were selling in fear, we stepped in and recommended buying quality companies at bargain prices. And now the results, well, they speak for themselves. Just to name a few. The Trade Desk, well, it's up over 52.8%. Meta, it's up 17.5%. Nvidia went up over 40%. And Broadcom also broached that 40% mark. ServiceNow, ARM, Coherent, Constellation Energy, Microsoft, Vertiv, and Qantas are all up 30% from when we spotlighted them. Everybody can tell you to buy stocks when they are rallying, but we tell you when to buy when it's hard. And you should be buying them when they are really down. That's the value of our digital creators and consumers service. We don't chase the crowd. We buy when the market is fearful and there's blood in the streets. And that's how we capture outsized returns. If you have any questions about these names or want to know what's the next big recommendation, and it should be spectacular, just open my email when I send it to you and follow the directions. The results and the discipline speak for themselves.